Meanwhile, trouble mounts for the Congress president's son-in-law and the former Haryana government as the Khattar administration mulls its legal options over the undue benefits that were given to Robert Vadra.
Last day of the Haryana Assembly's budget session saw the CAG Vadra report submitted, confirming what many have alleged, that Huda's government bent norms to favour the Congress president's son-in-law.
The possibility of extending undue benefit to particular applicants cannot be ruled out. 5 licensees earned a profit of 215.21 crores over the cost of 52.26 crores on sale of land without completing the project.
And the 73-page report lists out many favours, like seeking approvals only on the basis of the name of the person backing the project, or the complete lack of application of rules while approving many projects backed by Robert Vadra's Skylight Hospitality.
The state government the report has been tabled, the CAG report has been tabled in the Haryana Assembly, and the state government will take all appropriate actions as soon as possible.
अगर मान लिया उनके मामले को उसमें कोई जल्दी कर दी गई है तो उसे सरकार का क्या नुकसान है? अगर कोई अनाधिकृत काम किया है जो नहीं कर सकते थे वो कर दिया है तब तो कोई बात कहे, और फिर कानून है, कानून के हिसाब से जो सही होगा वो करे, कौन एतराज कर रहा है?
The Congress though has completely dismissed the charges against Vadra, saying the report neither indicts him nor the Huda government, while accusing the BJP government in Haryana of malafide intentions.
There is an urgent need to make the whole process more transparent and clear. Licensees should only be allotted to genuine developers after a careful and proper scrutiny of the applications. That in cases where land has been sold without completion of the project, net profit beyond 15% of the total cost on such sale should be deposited with the government.
It now comes down to the Khattar government, with indications that the process of evidence gathering is underway before legal action. Khattar's party claimed to always know. They now have the CAG report. So what's next?
देखिए, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी बार बार कह रहे हैं कि जीरो टॉलरेंस वो कह रहे हैं। अब CAG ने भी क्लियर कट कहा है कि पिछली सरकार ने रॉबर्ट वाड्रा को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए कानूनों में मदद की है, कानूनी तौर पर इनकी मदद की है, तो हम किसी को बख्शने वाले नहीं हैं। अगर समय लग रहा है तो आप समझिए कि हम गंभीरता से काम करना चाहते हैं, हम जल्दबाजी में कोई काम नहीं करना चाहते।
After the decision of the Haryana government to take legal opinion on the CAG report, the senior Haryana leaders are in touch with the central leadership of BJP as they feel that Congress could gain sympathy on the issue of victimization. This is Vishal Monga, Times Now, Chandigarh.